looking to replace two of my grinders with one. This is fellow Opus conical burr grinder. Let's meet Opus. Paperwork. Packaging. More packaging. I have unpacked and met Opus. The hopper, it's a small hopper, basically single dose size. Top of the hopper lid has, or the inside, it's got this kind of guide. And you can see there's settings here from fine all the way to coarse. And the guide didn't mention anything, but it looks like there's some fine tuning here with this. Kind of ring pushes down. The burr comes out super easy. Cleaning it, zero retention. It's nice. You get a standard, is larger amounts. It's got a little ring. One thing I do like, you can see there's a little, sort of angled funnel. So if you're pouring this into like a AeroPress, it's gonna kind of funnel that in. It's also got the dosing cup, so you can put this right into your portafilter. I also mentioned it's magnetic, so you can see it slides into place as needed. So I've met it. Now it's time to put it into some use and see if it can replace my two grinders.